Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Edge and the target page. This is action, not prep. Press F12 or Ctrl plus Shift plus I to launch DevTools and dock it to the bottom or side so you can see both code and page. Once done, enable device emulation to simulate phones or tablets. This lets you test layout and touch behavior fast. Make sure to open the Elements panel first to inspect DOM structure, because seeing the live HTML and CSS is the quickest way to begin debugging. You now move into inspection and active debugging. Start with the Elements panel to tweak HTML and CSS live. Editing styles here shows the visual effect immediately, which helps isolate layout issues. Then open Console for runtime logs, errors, and quick JavaScript commands to test fixes without redeploying. Next, use sources to set breakpoints, step through code, and watch variables. This reveals why a function fails. Once you reproduce the bug, apply the minimal code change and verify the behavior across device emulation. You finish by validating network and performance. Open the network panel to inspect requests, response codes, payload sizes, and caching headers so you can pinpoint slow or failing resources. Then run performance recordings and lighthouse audits to measure load times and get prioritized optimization suggestions. These explain the why behind slow pages. When done, make your final code change and retest. If things go wrong, clear the cache, disable extensions, and reproduce the issue with DevTools. OpenSO logs and network traces capture the failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.